Next up is Boeing. We ended the week at $226.49, up 3.62%. This is where we are. To the north side takes us back to an area we've already been at 228.61. Above that at 3 standard deviations and another potential take profit area, 230.62. And should we be so lucky on Monday as to get to this level, that would be 232.52. To the south side takes us back to the middle of the trend, which is repeating itself here. We've already hit this level, and I marked it out on, let's go back. Wow, we have to go back a very long time, which started on March 9th of 2026. So I do not need any of these lines. I have them marked for you so that you can see. And if you are new to trading and you are new to charting, this could help you. Let me delete that. Now it starts here for this week. Again, that was on March 9th that I drew that line. And this line will act as support and a potential bounce off of that line, or we could slowly start to grind and consolidate base barcode sideways. Now, below this line takes us to -2 standard deviations, one level of support, a potential buy-in area, as well as a potential stop loss area. If you don't know how to trade or you don't have a large account, you definitely want to set a stop loss to protect your capital. 218.89 and roughly 216.88. Now, looking left, what happened? We started here, ended at 226. I predicted that Boeing would turn around because we had 2 weeks of not great days for Boeing, but I figured, you know what? It's time for this to go up, and it sure did. It went up, let's see, from here. Oh, I gotta turn off the magnet. It's making my chart wonky. To this level right here, that's a 5.53% return in 1 week for Boeing. That's pretty good. Now, it could have been more if you micromanage your account and got lucky and bought in at 214.05. That's a 6.30% return. 1% for a week beats all day long putting your money in a regular account at Chase, Boeing, Wells Fargo. I would do that all day long, play the stock market, versus putting it in the bank. But you got to have a lot of capital to do that. So you got to have some savings just to, start out for a rainy day fund. 215.05, we went up and then rolled over. So this was an expected move to the downside, and that closed out. This closed out as well. And we are looking at this gap in the upcoming week for a pullback at 219.33. And to the north side, no, I don't have anything. And to the south side, well, we have this one taking us down to 199.15 and 186.73, 183.01, long term down the road. Not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close. Let's just move that along. All right, the 52-week low on this puppy was 176.77. Up next is Nike. We ended the week at 44.09, up 2.39%. So we are at the middle of the trend. I shall mark that out. Very close to this line. I'm just going to delete it. I don't need any of that, but I just like to see retracement. This will act as resistance on the way up as well. 2 standard deviations takes us to 49.19, 45.73, 46.26. one level of support. Well, on the way down, this will turn into support, as well as this line at 42.97. This is just retracing back to this level, 42.43, 41.85. Now let's move this gap forward. We went up, so it will reverse to the downside. I think that will close out on Monday. That shouldn't be too hard. So if you like to go short, there you go. We started the week at 40.75 and ended at 44.08. Your clear buy signal, your buy signal, your buy signal. Resistance on the way up. Okay, this turned into resistance, fell down. The support, your sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. Never made it to 4 standard deviations. I expect no stock to go to the moon and get past 4 standard deviations. That is not normal. All right, what else happened? Now let's look for any potential long. No, I don't. Where are we here? Oh, here we go. Look at this. Okay, 52.76, and then down the road, way, way yonder,